Are you an aspiring animator, an eager novice, or a seasoned pro looking to enhance your skills? Look no further. We present to you a treasure trove of cutting-edge AI tools, meticulously crafted to empower you in your artistic journey.
Okay, welcome back, guys. In the last video that we posted, we talked about, we started a journey on how to create uh, uh, cartoon animation videos with free AI tools. When I say free, I mean absolutely free. If you know how to manage yourself, you get your videos done free of charge. Okay, and we started with introduction of the tools that we need to, or let me say, we started with a step-by-step guide on what we need to get our videos done, from getting our script to text to speech to generation of images and all that. So, and we stop at text to speech the other time. Okay, and here now we are going to be uh, bringing our script to life to see to see them in image form. So that is the third step that we are going to do. So that's where we are starting here. So, and these are the applications that we are going to be exploring in this particular class. All right. Number one is Canva, then Leonardo, iTubo, and ClipDrop. So these four tools, they are perfectly enough for you to get all your images intact. All right. So please make sure you follow this channel by subscribing and share our videos. Please like and comment, because we'll be dropping a lot of things after this. What? Because after this particular training, we'll be using these particular tools to do some videos, and I'll be showing you step by step on how to do them as well. Please follow us strictly. Thank you very much. So let's go to business now. So the first one we are going to be exploring is Canva. All right, let's see how to use our Canva to generate our image. All right, let's go to Canva. All right, okay, this is the home screen of Canva. Like I said, all of them have their premium and but their free version too. You can still optimize it, you can use it. All right, so you can use a free version, and that's what I'm going to be using. Although I'm on premium version of Canva, premium version of Canva is not much. You can join a community that can give you Canva for $500 per month to use the premium features. All right, so now what we want to do, we want to create some, images. All right, so let's just okay, let's assume that we want to create a thumbnail for YouTube. All I just want to do, I need a blank page to show you how to generate images using Canva. That is what I'm trying to say here. All right. So, all right. So that's what we are going to be doing. All right. This was wrong. Let me go back again. All right. All I need is a new page. All right. So I have my new page here. Okay, fine. So the next thing you need to do is just come to apps here. Come to apps, click on apps, and you can search for text to image. Text to image. Right. So this text to image, you see the app. This is it. This is the first one here. Text to image. So let's click it. So describe the image you want and will create it for you. Describe the image you want and will create it for you. Sorry. All right. So that is where it starts from. So you need to be, you need to, so maybe you have asked ChatGPT to give you prompts of the images that you need for your story. So you can easily go back to ChatGPT. Let's see how to get that. Let's see how to get that. Let's see our previous uh, stories that we. Oh, do I have it? Please. Do I have those? Okay, let me see. Let me see. I don't think I have. Okay, all right. I think I have it down here. So it's been there's a lot of it. Okay, I say give prompt for key images that could be illustrated. But okay, this is one here. All right. So this one say illustrate Lily standing in the garden with a bright smile, holding a basket of apples as she discovers the magical garden for the first time. So you can put this prompt on text to image. Okay, let's say, uh, but you need to be distinct. Lily standing. So instead of using Lily, let's copy it first. So we'll go uh, and redefine it there. So you can copy it and come here and paste. So here we have Lily standing in the garden with a bright smile, holding a basket of apples as he discovers them. So the computer will not, AI will not understand what you mean by Lily, even if you understand that you are talking about human being, but you might not understand if it's a boy or a girl. All right. So you can say a little girl, a little girl. All right, standing in the garden with a bright smile, holding a basket of apples as she discovers the magical garden for the first time. Okay. So you can say that and be distinct again. You can the kind of image that you want. You can say Disney style. Disney, sorry, Disney style. Disney style. Alright. You can say further and say BB cartoon. BB cartoon. Okay. Alright. So you can now say create image. Let's see what it is. So AI is going to give you 4 images. Canva is going to give you 4 images that you can choose from. All right. So let's see what it's going to give us here. All right. So you see, beautiful. Okay. So we have 4 images here that you can use. Okay, you can choose any of this one and you can use the 3 of them together in order to explain your story. So anyone you want to use there, you just come here and put it there. Okay. All right. So as you can see, you can increase. So sorry. At the same time, you can tell AI the kind of Canva that you want to use and all that. So that one is possible. So you can see that our images is being created here. All right. And if you don't get exactly what you want here, you can actually go back and say create again, or you say go back and be distinct again about what you are creating. You can add something. If you feel that something is not there, you can still go back there and add anything you want to add. All right. Okay. So, aha. So if it is a boy, you can say a boy, a little boy standing in the garden with a bright smile. And please remember to put Disney style because that is what you want to achieve. The Disney style or any style you want. So don't follow mine. Disney style, 3D cartoon, the cartoon. All right. So with this, you can change your Canva. If it is landscape you want, you can change it. So instead of using this, so it is landscape I want, then you can come here and say create image. Creating again. Let me delete this. All right. Okay. Yeah, beautiful. You can see it's giving you different kind of ideas. This one is giving you real human being. This one is not a cartoon at all. So this one, all right. Sorry, click it so many times. Okay, so you can see. But if what you are looking for is not here as well. So you can go on and on like that to create and be distinct. Tell AI exactly what you need. No, not to waste our time. So this is how to use your Canva to generate images. All right, you can generate your images from here, and when you see what you want, you can actually go on and be keeping your images on your system on your or on your phone, so that you can use the same image to animate. You can be able to animate the same image later on with another AI tool. All right, so that is that. Okay, all right. So another one that we are going to be talking about here is Leonardo.ai. All right. So let's see. Let's go to Google. All right. Let's go to Google and search for Leonardo Leonardo AI. All right. So this is the first one here. Just let's click it and see. Let's see what happens. All right. So I think if you are not a member, if you have not been using it for this, the first thing to do is to create an account. All right. So that is the first thing that you need to do to create an account. I'm launching the app now. All right. Okay. Um, count me in. No, I'm not first. Okay, no, no, not to because you need to create an account. But I have an account already. Let me go to my account so that I won't be passing through that stress anymore. So once you create an account, this is exactly where it's bringing you to. All right. Okay. So I don't want to waste our time. So that's why I am coming here. So as you can see, this is my first time of using Leonardo today, and I have 150 credits to use here. All right, I have 150 credits to use. So, and this is how it's going to be giving you every day. That's why I said that if you can manage yourself very well, this particular tool will give you everything that you need to create your images per day. Every day you'll be able to create your images if you can manage it well. All right, so now let's go to business now. So I want to copy the prompt that I use in that place again. I want to bring it here and paste, but I want to leave this one high detailed ultra HD business style. All right, because that's what I want to use. Lily, instead of Lily, I would say a little girl. Remember, we are generating our images for our videos. Okay, all right. A little girl standing in the garden with a bright smile, holding a basket of apples as she discovered the magical garden for the first time. Highly detailed, ultra HD, Disney style. You can say 3D cartoon or not, just be distinct and come here, change this to 3D animation style. All right. All right. So it's very, very important. If it is 3D that you really want to do, it is very, very important. And here, we tell you is you can decide how many numbers of images you want to generate for this particular prompt, how many images you want to generate. Remember, the more images you generate, the more you use your credit. Now, if you look at this place now, this will use 2 tokens out of 50. If you use one, 2 tokens is going, it will remain 148. All right. So if I generate 4, it means I'm going to use 2 tokens times 4. So 8 is going out of. So you need to be very, very proactive in using your token, since you are not a premium user. So again, you come here, that is the dimension of your images. You want it in a wide form or you want it, so you decide. So you can come here and choose. So 9 by 16, this is portrait, and 16 by 9, this is wide screen. All right, so we'll talk about this one. Let's generate this first one first, so we'll talk about the other one first. So if this is okay by you, so you just come here, so and say generate. I'm choosing 2. All right, let me choose 2. So it's going to give me 2 images at the same time. Let's click on generate and see. So it's generating 2 images for me. All right. Generating 2 images for me. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful images. Okay, so I have two images here. You can decide to use the two together, but and I have one option here. So this one is HD Smooth Upscaler. Upscaling means that it's going to work on your image to make it more smoother, to upgrade your image. All right, and if you click on this again, you can see I use two tokens. I mean, I use four tokens, so I have one person. So this one, if I'm going to upscale, it's going to take five tokens for me for one upscaling. All right. So if you want to upscale, you should think very well how many images you are upscaling. All right. So and so I can decide to upscale this one. If I want to upscale, but I'm not upscaling now. But you might not see the difference there. So you need to do that. Okay. Sorry about that. So now the next thing that you need to do is, if you are okay with these images, you can just click on download images. So it will take it to your system or to your phone. So I'm downloading the two images now. So remember, you are telling a story. Okay. So it has finished downloading my image. Okay, you can close this. So the image is saved already. All right. So, and at the same time, you might want to change your prompt. Maybe you need another scene, and you need this same girl in that scene. Okay. Okay, maybe the storyline goes that, okay, the little girl take the fruit, the basket to her grandmother at home and all that. Okay, so all you just need to do, you reshape this prompt. A little girl presenting a basket, a fruit basket. Okay, let me do it this way. It's a little girl holding, okay, let me delete this prompt. A little girl holding a basket of apples. Okay, giving giving it to her grandmother. Okay, so you would delete you will delete this magical so at first time you delete it. Okay, so all are in this image. The next image I want to do now is a little girl holding a basket of apples, giving it to her grandmother. Okay, highly detailed, ultra HD Disney style. But at this particular prompt, then what you should do here is that you should, because if you go straight to generate now, AI may give you another kind of girl that is not this girl. If you want still to go in line with the last image that you did, you can easily come here. Mhm. So this one will give reference to the last image that you created. So you can upload an image to use as input here. So when I click here now, I will go to the image I'll click this one I downloaded. I'll say open. So it's loading it now. So the AI will know that you are still talking about this same girl, about this same story. So it won't go far from what the kind of image that you made last. All right. So if you're okay with that, let me, in order to save my token, let me say just give me, okay, let me still say generate two. So we'll use four token for that as well. So let's see what it's going to give us. So that is how to use Leonardo, and many more. I will still be telling you other things to do when it comes to Leonardo. I'll still be telling you that. So, but we are just introducing ourselves to those areas, so, and how to use it to generate images. Okay, okay, all right. So you can see it's still talking about the same girl, but in another environment. But we are not seeing the grandmother in view here. So, but if you are not seeing that, you can go back and change your prompt. It's an AI. It's not a human being. So you can go back and change your prompt, or you do it again. It will one way or the other. So this still what is talking about as grandmother. No, that's not. But you can see that it's still holding the basket of apples in her hand. So it has changed. So it's no more in the garden now. It's now at home. All right. So you can come here again and still work on this prompt. All right, you can say to our grandmother sitting down, she's presenting the apple to the basket of apple to our grandmother. And all that. So you can be dynamic in anything that you do. That is that. I don't want to waste time on this one. So that's how to use Leonardo AI to generate our images. You can download this one too. All right, you can download it so that it will follow. You will use it to follow um, our story because we might use it later. So okay, fine. Now let's go to the third AI. That is iTubo. All right, iTubo. So let's see iTubo. Let me go to Google again. All right, let's see iTubo. Tubo. Is it here? iTubo AI generator. Okay. So let's see. Remember, it's on your Google Play Store. All of them are on your Google Store, so you can have them there and download on your phone to use. Okay. So this is coming. It's like my internet is a bit slow this morning. All right. So iTubo is exactly like Leonardo. If you see it now, you will know what I'm talking about. So iTubo is just as the Leonardo we just used now. All right. So let's see. I click on create now so that you can see that there's there's no much in this. Let's close this page because it's telling me that you want to be a pro user. So this is what you do. So you can see what we are doing here. So you can see that there's no this one too will give you some tokens every day, but this is not as much as Leonardo. This one is giving like 54 54 token per day. That's what this one is giving. So you should know how to manage your token very well. So we can use the same prompt here. All right, we can use the same prompt to do that. All right, Control V. So Lily, I'll say little girl. Okay, let me say a little girl. Right, standing in the garden with a bright smile, blah 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 blah. Highly detailed, Ultra HD 3D Disney. So you can come here and save. Yes, you can use this. Okay, and if you want to use 2, you want to use 3, you want to use 4. But if you go to 5, it means you want to use premium. So let me just say, let me ask you to do 1, and let me change my screen system here to 16. Okay, let me use this as dimension. All right, 19 by 13. Okay, so and I'll say generate. So you can see it's generating. That's what it's going to give us. It's generating. So it's just, you can see it looks very, very, very much like Leonardo AI. So those tools, I've used Leonardo AI to create image for a complete video, for 2 complete videos in one day. And I'm not a pro user of Leonardo. So those 150 units, 150 tokens is more than enough for you to create a space. So if you know how to generate a network connection, time out. Okay. All right. So sorry, I think it's my internet here. So let me refresh this. Okay, let me click on generate again. Let's see. All right, let's see if it comes. So that is Leonardo. I mean, that is iTuber. So you can see, okay, has been removed. I don't understand. I think the art has been removed. Okay, let me just let me get another. Okay, let me use another prompt. Let me use another prompt. Another prompt. Sorry, a little boy standing in a bush. Okay, a little boy standing in the bush. Highly detailed question. So let's see this. Let's see this. So sorry, my network is very bad this morning. So let's quickly see what this one is talking about. So we can go to the last one, which is Flipboard. Wow. Let me check the internet I'm using and see exactly what the issue is this morning. Oh, okay. Please, I'm coming. Let me reconnect this internet because I really want to use iTuber to generate image so that we can see how it works. All right. So let's see. So if it's not going now, I will go to the last one. But this is exactly what you do to get your images done. So that we won't waste our time on this. Okay. Um. Okay. All right. Let me because this is the last one I generated. So these are the images I generated last time here. So let me say generate again. So I just hope it will come. So okay, this let's go to the last one, which is clip drop. Clip drop, clip drop. That's another AI tool that you can use to generate your image. Let's go to Google and see clip drop AI. All right, this clip drop. Okay, all right. So this is clip drop, and here too you can generate your images in a second. In a second, when I say in a second, I mean in a second. Sorry. Okay. So the tool we are going to be using now is Stable Diffusion XL. Stable Diffusion XL. All right. So this is where you are going to put. So this is where I get out. So go to Tools and say Stable Diffusion XL. Then you come to this place and put your prompt. So put your prompt. A little girl standing in the garden with a bright smile, holding a basket of apples as she discovers the magical garden for the first time. All right, highly detailed Ultra HD 3D Disney style. So, but you can still filter here. Click here to filter. Then say, photographic. This is very important. So this is what I've been using, and I'm so okay with that. And say, I think yes, in the place of style, say photographic, and the aspect ratio I want yes, vertical 9:16, or the widescreen 16:9. All right, so those are the two things I'm doing here before I click on generate. Let's see, it's going to give me uh, 4 pictures, 4 images, right? No, skip. I don't want to subscribe. Okay, so it's going to generate 4 images for me. All right, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. Please, it's clip drop. So please remember to subscribe to our channel, share our videos, because I'll be using all these tools to work. I'll be using all the tools to work with you. So you can see this one is giving us real images. All right, you can go back and work again on your style. Okay, you can see 3D model. All right, okay, and you can know one thing about this one. This one does not have limitations because you can generate as many as possible when you are using uh, clip drop. Okay, all right, so let me use generate again. Use generate, skip. All right, so you can keep on generating. If you're not okay with what you have, if what you have in mind is not what the AI is giving you, change your prompt, redefine it to suit exactly what you want, and click on generate. So this one can give you as many as possible. No, unlike Leonardo and Itubo, this one you can generate thousands of images here without. So you can see. Sorry, that one is from my system. That's from my system. Sorry about that. So you can see that now. Sorry. Let me go back again. 3D model. Okay. Aspect review, widescreen, generate. So it has gone back to the beginning. So let me go back again. Put the prompt again. Okay. Say 3D model, aspect ratio, widescreen, generate. Let's see. Let's see what it gives us. Okay. So this is how to use these 4 tools to generate. So, and once you generate your your images, just click on this place to download them. So you can actually download all your images, download them, so that you can use them further whenever you want to convert them to. Because we are still going to be converting those images to videos. We are still going to be converting them. That's where the interesting part is. So please follow us, share, like. Please don't mind us. The internet is very, very slow this morning. Okay, so this is exactly how to use those 4 tools to generate things. And I tell you, clip drop is absolutely free. Itubo and Leonardo, they are free to some extent, but if you know how to manage your tools, your token, you can get the work done as well. All right, thank you very, very much.